Well, this afternoon, a newly formed mail truck driver union in Peoria is actually pushing for better pay and job security. Our Shabnam Dinesh was there today. And Shab, what can you tell us about this?
Yeah, Rebecca, local members of the American Postal Workers Union were protesting this morning in front of their employer, 10 Roads in Peoria. Now, the drivers say the company is changing schedules and cutting hours without negotiating in good faith. Right now, they are bidding on routes, and only 13 out of 38 are for 40 hours or more full time. Now, many route schedules are just 25 hours a week. The union members say they want the bidding to stop, and they want a seat at the bargaining table. Now, these drivers sort and bring mail to post offices, which then get delivered to homes by the United States Postal Service. So they say the decreased hours not only impacts their livelihood, but will have a trickle-down effect on mail delivery. They say they plan to file an unfair labor practice lawsuit against the company.
Shabnam, thank you so much.